How to put two videos in one screen on your CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know you could arrange two videos in one screen on CapCut? Yes, in order to do so, let's get started. First of all, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. This will open your gallery, choose the video that you want now. Once you have done so, slide towards the left to find the option of aspect ratio. You can choose any of the aspect ratio of your choice as you want to arrange the screen into. Then after, tap on the video and then you can pinch in your fingers to arrange the video. You can even maximize it, minimize it, or take the video anywhere on the side of the screen. So once you have arranged the video on its proper location, tap anywhere outside of the screen and then tap on overlay and tap on add overlay. Select another video now and then follow the same step. That is, first of all, you'll have to go back and select the aspect ratio for the second video as well. Once that is done, select on the second video now. Once you have selected on the second video, you have to now follow the same steps as before. That is, you need to pinch in into the video in order to make changes and arrange it on the screen. You can also zoom it in or out as per your preference, and once you have got the desired screen, you can save it. So this is how you add two videos in one screen on CapCut. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.